Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a circle shape face. Achieving a rounder facial appearance involves a combination of approaches, from understanding your natural bone structure to making subtle lifestyle changes. We'll explore how nutrition plays a role, along with specific facial exercises that can help. Additionally, I'll share some clever makeup and hairstyling tips to create the illusion of a softer, more circular face. This guide offers practical, easy-to-follow steps for anyone looking to enhance their facial contours. Your diet and hydration are crucial for a healthy, fuller-looking face. Incorporating healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, can contribute to skin plumpness. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Proper hydration helps maintain skin elasticity and can reduce the appearance of fine lines. Remember, a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports overall skin vitality, contributing to a softer facial contour. Specific facial exercises and massage techniques can help tone muscles and improve circulation, contributing to a rounder appearance. Try cheek puff exercises, holding air in your cheeks for about 10 seconds before releasing. Regular facial massages, using upward circular motions on your cheeks for 5 minutes daily, can also be beneficial. Another simple exercise is the fish face, where you suck in your cheeks and hold for 5 seconds. These practices can enhance muscle definition and promote a youthful glow. Clever makeup and hairstyling can create the illusion of a rounder face. When applying blush, focus on the apples of your cheeks and blend in a circular motion to add fullness. Use a highlighter on the center of your forehead and chin to draw attention to the middle of your face. For hair, opt for styles with soft layers, waves, or curls that frame your face, avoiding harsh, straight lines. A side part can also soften angles, contributing to a more circular appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.